ahead in the distance, I saw a shimmering light. My head grew heavy and my sight grew dim. Had to stop for the night. Then she stood in the doorway, heard the mission bell. I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. Then she lit up the candle, she showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor, then I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely face. Radio from at the Hotel California. Any time of year, you can find it here. And my Tiffany twisted, she got a Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty, pretty boys. She goes friend. How they dance in the courtyard, sweet summer sweet. Some dance to remember, some dance to forget. So now I called up the captain, please bring me my wine. He said he haven't had that spirit here since 1969. And still those voices are calling from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night, just to hear them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely face. Then we met the Hotel California. What a nice surprise, bring your alibis. Mirrors on the ceiling, deep champagne on lights. And she said, we are just prisoners here of our own device. In the master's chamber, gathered for the feast. Started with their steely life, but they just can't kill